Ubuntu 16.04 is now starting to get on a bit in life, and the poor old kernel is beginning to get a little crusty and ancient. The Intel Kaby Lake and AMD Ryzen CPUs did not exist when this version of Ubuntu was released, but we can easily upgrade the kernel to version 4.8 at time of recording, and rectify the situation and make it compatible with the brand new CPUs. It is very easy to do using the official LTS enablement stack, also called the Hardware Enablement stack. I'm happy to see that Canonical have made the process a lot simpler now, because it's now a transitional package that will continue to upgrade through versions of Ubuntu. If you install this now, you'll get a brand new kernel following every release of Ubuntu, right up until the end of its life in 2021. And paste that command in, and we notice a bit of a problem here. The following packages are going to be removed. VirtualBox Guest X11, yeah, I don't really want that removed. I don't mind about everything else there, but the trouble is, the latest version of Xorg removes the old Xorg package, and for some reason, some applications depend on Xorg, rather than entrusting it would be installed. If you're using a graphical environment, you would have to have Xorg or Wayland on your system, yeah. Anyway, I would not advise installing the Xorg upgrade. Entirely your choice though. If you decide it's not going to remove anything you particularly need, or it doesn't remove anything at all, then yeah, by all means go ahead with the upgrade. So I'm going to remove that and just go for the kernel upgrade. So that is sudo apt-get install. I don't think you particularly need the install recommends. Linux generic HWE 16.04. Enter. Well, that is a bit more realistic now, so we just got packages to be installed and nothing to be removed. Yes, go ahead. Okay, everything is installed. Now to reboot the system and test it out. If you have any problems at boot up, hold down the Shift key to make the grub menu appear. That will allow you to select an older version of the kernel. Well, let's see what we have. uname-a, and we'll have Linux kernel 4.8. So that is an upgrade from the old 4.4 kernel. So I'm happy with that. Now I want to remove the old kernels from the system. So sudo apt-get autoremove. The following packages will be removed. That is one of the older kernels, Linux kernel 4.4031. I believe I had 4.4072 as the most recent, so I still have one older kernel left. And for this package here, the Ubuntu core launcher, that is a leftover of Snappy, so that can be removed. So yes, I am happy, although that is not everything. I'll find the last few packages with dpkg, get selections, grepping, Linux. I'm looking for the old generic packages, because if I leave those behind, I'll keep getting lots of new kernels, and I don't necessarily want that. So the command I need is sudo apt-get purge, Linux generic, Linux headers generic, and Linux image generic. That is all of those. Enter. Yep, that's fine. And that is it, job done. That was how to get the latest hardware enablement stack Linux kernel in the Ubuntu long-term support releases. Thanks for watching, I'll see you all later.